Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today I'm going to do something a little bit new. I am going to unbox the September 2018 BoxyCharm. This is my fourth BoxyCharm and my first time doing an unboxing, so I'm sorry if this is not the video you are looking for, but I figured this would be something different to do. So I decided to do this unboxing after I already opened this, but I promise in future videos I will not open this box and look inside. I will be completely surprised with you. So I'm just going to get into it. And usually with BoxyCharms you get about 5 full-size makeup products. So the first thing I'm going to get into and immediately put to the side is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Precision Eyeliner. This is the roll-on eyeliner and I have done a video with this before. It is a little roller wheel and this thing sucks. So I'm actually really bummed that this is in here because it's gonna go right in the garbage. If you have seen my video with this, you know that I couldn't even do my other eye. It was so hard. It was great to do the outer line, but coming in sucked and trying to get around the curvature of my eye just was not happening. So nope. The next thing in here is by Alamar. And you get 3 full-size makeup brushes, 1 crease brush, a shadow brush, and a detailer brush. And these feel nice and really soft. Moving on, the third item is by Laura Geller. This is the Baked Blush and Brighten, and this is in the shade Tropic Hues. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on, see how it does. Ooh, that is very pigmented. So if you are fair skin, definitely use a light hand, and this will be great for medium to deep skin tones. Okay, so I like this guy. Next is by Lorac. It is the Pro Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade Dusty Plum. And let's try this guy on. Alright, I know that's a crazy purple, but that is super pretty and it feels really nice. This is supposed to be long lasting and I really like the curvature of the lip product. I had no issues, getting around the curves of my lips. And last in this guy is a palette from Pretty Vulgar. It is the Nightingale palette. Usually in every BoxyCharm subscription you get a palette, and this one is a palette that has sort of brown smoky eye hues. I'm going to use just the brushes that came in this BoxyCharm and see how they work together. So I'm going to go in with the lightest shade, Pillow Fight. Just throw it in really quick. I'm just going to do a really quick smoky eye just with like 3 colors. Alright, that's not very pigmented, so I'm going to go in with Hide and Seek and see if I can get a little more color. Oh, that's better. Taking the same brush but going into the shade Flip Out, just popping it in my crease and then blending it out. Alright, this brush isn't terrible, but I feel like it could be better, but I've used worse. I'm going to just pop a tiny bit of After Midnight in my outer corner, and then taking that shadow brush, I'm going to go into Clutch and use it as my eyelid shade. Ooh, that's pretty. And then taking that flat definer brush, going back into Flip Out and just smoking out the under eye. Alright, and that's just a quick little look with this palette. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I feel like some of the colors are a little bit splotchy, but with building up and blending they looked a lot better. But I don't know, I feel like I've had a Wet n Wild palette that's worked better. But it could have been this brush, so I'm gonna have to try this guy again with my normal brushes and see how it does. So to recap, the eyeliner is negative. The brushes, I am unsure about this guy, but the flat eyeshadow brush and the flat definer brush, definitely like they did a really good job. I loved this blush, it went on really nice. This lip color is nice and it feels really nice and moisturizing. And this palette is just okay, so If I had the option to skip this month, I think I would, because the eyeliner is just a waste, it's going right in the garbage, and the palette, I feel like I have a ton of smoky eye palettes already. I also have a ton of makeup brushes, so the only things that I'm like really super excited about is the blush and this lip color. So if you are thinking about getting this box, maybe wait until next month. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.